What's up, guys? Good morning. We are making our way into a Target and see what we can find. See you guys in a bit. Alright, guys, so here I am in the Hot Wheels section, and as you can see, it looks like somebody already went through all this stuff. Yeah, I rarely find anything good at this store anyway. Looks like the employees take all the good stuff at this store, so I'm not even gonna bother looking through all these rows of pegs. But I just wanted to show you how badly things are here in my area. That's why I don't really make very many hunting videos. So we have some 5-packs here. Nothing new except for this one here, which I don't care for. Here's the Corvette 5-pack, which I already showed you guys in the video. Here's the Lamborghini 5-pack. I already showed you guys that in a video. This one, this Nightburners, is pretty cool. I picked it up. I have to do a review on it. I picked it up mainly because of these two cars right here. And this Mustang is pretty cool. Over here we have seen some Hot Wheels monster trucks, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Here we have some of the Flying Customs. I already have these. That custom 72 Chevy Love is pretty cool. I already have one. I have this 13 Copel Camaro. This Fast and Furious. Don't care for that one. Oh, these are new. I have not seen this one. Oh, check this out, guys. Looks like this is a new series. This is 1963 Aston Martin B5. Definitely taking that one. And here we have the 101 Dalmatians. Pretty cool. Now it looks like these are the only two new ones they have. And here we have some of the Super Mario cars. So pretty cool. So yeah, these are pretty cool. Definitely picking these up. Let's see over here. We have some of the Star Wars models. Not into those, especially not at that price. Let's see, what else do we have over here? We have some Hot Wheels monster trucks. Here we have this one here. Looks like this one here, the Roger Dodger, is the chase. Let's see, what else do we have? We have some more Monster Jam. These are pretty new, these VTech dinosaurs, Transformer wannabes. And here we have some of these Boom City racers. Looks like they come in a nice little rocket launcher. You launch them and race them, pretty cool. Now these cool flywheels. They claim to go up to 200 miles per hour. And here we have some of these Matchbox Superfast. I already picked up that set. Here's that white truck I already showed you guys. That truck is sweet. I already have it, so gonna leave it behind for someone else. And here we have some Micro Machines. Let's see, what do we have here? Yeah, they look pretty cool, but I don't really like them, so I'm just gonna leave it behind. Oops. Yeah, these are too full. I'm just gonna leave it here. Oh my goodness, already dropping stuff. All right. Let's see, here we have some Jetta toys, VW bugs. Here we have the buses. Alright, guys, and here we have some more cool Jada toys. Here's the Batman, and it comes with the Batman figure as well. Oops, sorry guys, I was not focusing. So here's this one here, pretty cool. Let's see what they have over here. Here's the Joker. It's a pretty cool casting. Get this here. Cool. They have the Knight Rider. They have Dom's Dodge Charger RT. Pretty cool. I think I already have that one. I don't really collect. This scale is way too big. It takes up too much real estate. So looks like this is it. They have some of this Tech Deck BMX bikes here. They have some skateboards. They have some 5-packs here. And they have some more Jada toys down here. I've never seen that one before, that Justice League Batmobile and Batman. Alright, here they have a bigger scale. They have a Spider-Man, pretty cool. They have the Dom and Dodge Charger RT. Pretty cool. There's another Batmobile and Batman. Have some haulers here. Alright guys, so it looks like this is pretty much it for today. You guys have a great Saturday, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Later.